birthday po, Sir Lawrence. Sana naman po maging masaya po kayo sa birthday nyo. At hindi lang po sa birthday nyo, pati po habang buhay. Happy anniversary, TPC. Sorry po kung di po nakadating pero hayaan nyo po. Pag available po ako, dadating po dyan. Bye-bye po!
Happy birthday, Sir Lawrence. I wish you nothing but the best. I wish you more years, more great years, and more great years din dahil happy anniversary sa inyo sa TPC. So, ang dami-dami niyong blessings and I wish you even more blessings to come. I wish you good health, good wealth, and good love. That's all we need in life. God loves you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sir Lawrence. Wish ko sa inyo na sana good health and long life. And sana maging successful sa career. And happy anniversary sa TPC. TPC! Yo, yo, yo! Yo, yo!
Hello po, happy birthday po, Sir Lawrence. I wish you all the best. May God bless you with more blessings and good health and a bright future. And of course, happy anniversary sa TPC. May God bless the company with more power and a bright future as well. Happy birthday po and happy anniversary.
Happy birthday, Sir Lawrence. Have many more birthdays to come. And happy anniversary, TPC.
Happy birthday, Sir Lawrence. Yun, sana maging masaya ang araw ng birthday mo. And ayun, marami pang birthday na dumating sa buhay mo. God bless you. Happy anniversary, TPC.